Hello bestie, welcome back again to the channel today. Thank you for stopping by at the house of Chris Jenny. So this morning my husband said he's going to our farm, and to my greatest surprise I saw him coming back with two hefty bunches of plantain. And you can see how big these plantains are, because we started this small farm not long ago, and that is why I'm really surprised that it has actually produced hefty plantains like this, as beautiful as these plantains. You can see how green they are. So today my husband said, my wife, throughout today I'm going to be helping you with some of the chores in the house. So he started by going to the farm to cut some plantains, you can see, and coming back he came back with this big bunches of plantain. And after that he decided to help me again with the washing of the bottles. So you all know that I sell granules as my side hustle. So most of these bottles we buy it from people who are selling it. Okay, so after buying it from them, we actually buy in large, that is, we buy from them in a big quantity. So after buying from there, we actually take our time to wash the bottle properly. So today my husband said, my wife, don't worry, I'm going to help you in the washing of this bottle. And I'm really happy with the way he was washing this bottle, because he was washing it with so much joy, so much love. You can see it. He was not washing it like somebody they forced to do it, okay, because he has made up his mind to help me with some of the chores today in the house. He said I should not stress myself. So he started by going to the farm, then he started washing the bottles for me. So these bottles, you have to take your time in washing it properly. You can see how my husband is doing it. He's actually taking his time to wash the bottle, because most of all these bottles, we don't know where they get them from, okay? So, and most of them, they contain some alcohols, so you have to wash them properly, not just with soap and water. We also use sand, okay? So this is what my husband is doing. At the same time, my husband also told my children to start doing their own house chores. So you can see my children, they started by washing plates. Then after washing the plates, I think they went ahead to make the house clean, sweep the house, and also tidy up their room. So whenever my husband is working, he like the children to also work alongside with him, because he said it gives him so much joy seeing the children working also, and they are talking and they are gisting. I don't know the idea behind it, but I think it makes him happy seeing the children working alongside. As at this period when they were doing all the chores, I was just busy sleeping, and when I woke up I decided to do one or two things. You know, as a woman, there's no way you can just fold your hands. So to my greatest surprise again, I saw my odogu carrying out the potato, and I was asking him, where are you taking it to? He said he wants to peel it for me. He said he wants us to eat potato and egg sauce as our dinner tonight. So he said he wants to just peel it on time before the day gets dark. So I was just looking at him. I said, see this man, you never get tired. And he was just busy laughing. You can see how serious he is as he's peeling this potato. Honestly, when you have a good man, you have a good man. Honestly, see, those of us that have good man, we don't know what we have. So I pray we'll not lose them in Jesus' name. So after he's done peeling it, this is the potato. Then he said the next thing to do is to go ahead and fry the potato first before making the egg sauce. And I was like, this man is okay now, let me just do the cooking since you've done a lot since morning. He said no, he wants to finish it so that it can be like a job for the day. I said okay, sir. He went ahead to take the peeled potato and he light up the gas. You can see what he's doing in the kitchen. My odogu now is in the kitchen about to cook. So he's waiting for the oil to get hot so that he can start putting the potato. Now I think the oil is a bit hot, so he have started putting the potato step by step. So it got to a time when the oil was so hot that you have to start putting it so fast because of his hand, so that the oil will not end up splashing on his hand. Okay, so you can see my odogo in the kitchen. So as he was doing all of this, I said no, I cannot just leave my husband to be in the kitchen all alone. So I decided to come to the kitchen with him and start cheering him up. I started saying some funny things with him. I started discussing, bringing out stories, even the one that is interested to hear and the one is not interested to hear. I started bringing all of the story up, okay, just to keep him company as he's doing this, because I was not feeling comfortable. I don't know if I'm the only one this actually happened to. Whenever my husband is cooking for me and I'm not with him at that point, I feel that I'm really stressing him up, so I decided to stay by his side and always check what he's doing. Slicing it now. What is that small tray? Check that blue tray. The blue. He's not using it now. See your daddy here now.
No, he's using it.
Wash it now. Wash that one. You cannot slice it without the this. Eh? You cannot slice it without the tray. You can slice it on the tray.
Use them at night today. Instead of breakfast. Catchy.
At this point, it's done with the frying of the potato. So the next thing now is to make the egg sauce. He decided to add more vegetable oil to the one on the pan so that it will be enough. Then he went ahead to add the sliced onions. So you can see what my husband is doing. My husband is a very good cook, I'm telling you. When you eat my husband food, you see that your 5 fingers, you're going to bite all of them, thinking they are food also. So guys, this is my husband as he's stirring the onions in the pan so that it can fry very well. Then the next thing, he went ahead to add the blended tomato. So you can see he's going to pour it now in the hot oil.
You should see my smiling husband. He's smiling as he's cooking. Cooking is his hobby. He likes it. I did not see it as anything. It's any work. You just select it.
Pleasure. Where is Jesus?
That's what plenty of them. Jesus.
So at this point, it's time to put the stock cube, and the one we are using is chicken flavor. So my husband was not able to break the stock cube. He was just shouting Jesus because it was so strong. This chicken flavor company have to consider our hands because their cube is always so strong that it's not always easy to break. So we all know, guys, that after putting the vegetable, the next thing is to bring down the food. So at this point, the whole kitchen was smelling so nice. Like the aroma from this food was lovely. It was really, really lovely. So the food now is ready, guys. Come and eat. Please bring your plates because there is still more in the kitchen so that we can dish for you. And we decided to dish for the whole family, and this is it, guys. The food was so sweet, it was delicious, it was yummy. I don't even know how to describe the taste of this food because it was giving. So if I'm asked to rate my husband, I'm definitely going to rate him 9/10. The remaining one is for me because I am the woman of the house. He cannot cook more than me at all. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.